Hi everyone, this is Dwarika Oza. I am a drone pilot licensed by the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) with full authorization to fly drones in the US. I specialized in capturing stunning aerial views using my advanced DJI Mavic 3 drone paired with Sony Alpha 7 III camera, complete with professional lenses and accessories for high quality ground photography and videography. I also use the latest GoPro equipment for action packed video shoots. Only a few people have the level of access and professional gear that I do. And I am excited to use it to virtually explore the US for you through my content. I am passionate about creating breathtaking visuals and promise to put my full effort into producing beautiful and engaging videos for you consistently. Your support means the world to me. So please like, comment and share my content. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to take up my DJI Mavic 3 drone. Yes, takeoff is done successfully. This is the small clip of demo. Please watch it. Now I am done. Please watch the landing process. Hi there, it was the small piece of the demo video. I will continue it in future. Stay in touch with my channel. Thank you.